Welcome to this quick guide on how to find all your music on Facebook using a PC or computer. Facebook has recently updated some of its settings, so the music section may not be as easy to find as it was before. But don't worry, I'll show you exactly where to go. First, open your favorite web browser on your computer and visit the Facebook website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once Facebook is open, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it to open the account menu. From the menu, find and select Settings and Privacy. This will open another list with several options. Click on Settings if necessary, and then look for the section called Activity Log. Select Activity Log to view different types of activity connected to your Facebook account. This page may include your posts, comments, searches, profile changes, and other personal information. Now, look for the Personal Information section. Click on it to expand the available options. Inside this section, select Profile Information. This is where Facebook stores several details connected to your profile, including the music you have added over time. Finally, click on Your Music. Facebook will now display the music saved on your profile. Depending on how many songs, artists, or music-related items you have added, the list may take a moment to load. This is a useful way to check all the music connected to your Facebook account, especially if you want to review your profile information, remove something, or simply remember the songs you added in the past. Keep in mind that Facebook may change the names or locations of certain settings in future updates. If you don't see an option immediately, take a moment to check the nearby sections inside your activity log. And that's it. You can now find your music on Facebook Web using your PC by following these simple steps. Open Facebook, click your profile photo, go to Settings and Privacy, open Activity Log, select Personal Information, choose Profile Information, and click your music.